Okay, this is steps 8 and 9. Some ingredients are needed for multiple recipes, which means that an overall total in price, not a per recipe total in price. Calculate the required information for those ingredients. Okay. So we want a format that's going to go into cell F37. Format I37 here. I37 is there. There's a number around the 2 decimal places. And let's check the formatting on that. And we see number around the 2 decimal places. So the total butter needed. There, butter, the ingredient. So the total butter needed is going to come from which cells in I. So we see butter, I30, we can see it. There, you can see the ingredients there from the butter in the different places. Okay. And butter again. So you can pick out those places where the butter is and go to column I to see how much is there. Total amount needed in I. And you can add them up. Total butter needed. And that's going into I37. Here. And I have an equal sign. I'm going to have I3, shift plus, I7, shift plus, I119, shift plus, I30, and I check to see if it matches. Is that a 130 or an I30? I'll make sure that's an I30. Alright, and I hit enter. And there's a total amount of butter there. Total milk needed is going to come from 2 places, and it's going to go into I. Milk. Total milk. Oh, no. I just did butter. Total chicken broth here. I38. And that's I38. I5 plus I21. And I hit enter, and that gives me the amount of chicken broth needed. And the total eggs is going to go into total chicken broth is I5. Yeah, that's total chicken broth. The total milk here is I8 to I117. So you have an equal sign. I8 shift plus I17, enter. Total eggs is going to be I33 equal sign I33 shift plus I16. I hit enter. Sugar needed is going to be I41, and that's going to be I32 plus I37. So I'm going to have an equal sign I32 shift plus I27, and I hit enter, and that tells me the total amount there, and I believe that's it for that particular one. Yeah. Okay. Conversion ratio if needed. In this case here, cups to cups is 1. One. Cups to gallons is 1. Fraction 16. Let's see if it's right. Okay, took it. Eggs to eggs is 1, and cups to cups is 1. All right. Now, let's see here. Okay. And then it says here, number of items needed. Pause. Okay, find the total number of items needed. We just check to see that the N37 is normal. And I'll hit enter there. N37 is located here. So N37 is equal to here, equal to ceiling there, I37 star M37 divided by K37, comma 1, close parentheses, and hit enter. Okay, and fill down to N41, and I go down. All right, and then find the total price. Here. Format Q37 as currency. Q37 locate. It's there. And let's check to see. Format cells is formatted as currency to 2 decimal places. Okay. And total prices will be the number of items needed times the price times 1 plus the food tax rate. And there you have it. And there's your formula there. And that goes into Q37. Just right there. And I select that formula. Copy. Control V. And I hit enter. And that gives me that total price there. And fill down to Q41. So I select the cell, go to the bottom right corner, left click and drag down. And it does that for me. Okay. Calculate the meal total. Being sure to use the individual ingredients totals, not the dish totals. Okay. There. So what I have here, and it's going to go into R37 here. All right. Let's see what that format is. What that format is. So I see format cells, and I see currency 2 decimal places. So I have here the ingredients where it's a lot of them. So I have these here. So I omitted them from my totals up here. See, so I did Q37, Q38, Q39, Q40, Q41, and then I jumped to the top and got the other ingredients that were missed. So I have the total here of all the ingredients. And I put them right there. So I can go ahead and select this. And I'll hit copy, Control C, and I can put it right there, or right here. Control V. Hit enter. And let's see here. Okay. We got some of the cells in that formula here. We got to add some more here. And I hit copy, and I'll put these right in here. Okay. Let's see, undo that. Yeah, and that looks right. And I hit enter. Okay, and there you can see that individual ingredient, not the dish totals. Okay, and there you have that part there. And that's how you do that particular assignment.